It's an exciting time for muscle car enthusiasts as Dodge has unveiled its latest iteration of the iconic Challenger, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat. This beast of a machine is set to take the performance world by storm, and we can't wait to dive into all of its impressive specs and features. First and foremost, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat is powered by a ferocious 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi-V8 engine that produces an astonishing 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. That's a significant increase from the previous model's 717 horsepower, making this the most powerful production Challenger ever built. The engine is mated to an upgraded 8-speed automatic transmission that has been engineered to handle the immense power. Speaking of power, the Challenger Hellcat can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, which is lightning fast for a car of this size and stature. The top speed has also been increased to a blistering 203 mph, putting it firmly in supercar territory. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed, it also features an improved suspension system and larger, high-performance brakes to ensure exceptional handling and braking capabilities. One of the standout design features of the 2025 Challenger Hellcat is its aggressive, muscular exterior. The front end features a redesigned hood with a larger, more pronounced power bulge, while the rear end has been updated with a new spoiler and diffuser for enhanced aerodynamics. The car also sits lower to the ground, giving it a more planted, menacing stance. Inside, the Challenger Hellcat has been treated to a number of premium upgrades, including a larger, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, a premium sound system, and an array of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. The cabin is also adorned with premium materials, including soft touch surfaces and contrast stitching, creating a more luxurious and refined feel. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2025 Challenger Hellcat is its customizability. Dodge has made it easy for owners to personalize their vehicles with a wide range of exterior and interior options, as well as performance upgrades like different wheel and tire packages, suspension components, and even more power via various tuning packages. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat is a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. It combines breathtaking performance, stunning good looks, and a wealth of customization options, making it the ultimate muscle car for the modern era. Whether you're a die-hard Dodge enthusiast or just a fan of high-powered, adrenaline-fueled machines, the Challenger Hellcat is sure to leave a lasting impression.